Welcome to MoWo Custom Creations. Today we're going to be making a bench cookie dispenser. First, start out, get a PVC pipe 4 inches and set of your bench cookies. First we'll need to mark out how tall we need to cut the PVC pipe. Make sure to include the stopper so you get the correct height. After that you'll bring it over to the miter saw or any hacksaw or anything that you can cut your PVC pipe with, and cut it down to size. Next you will cut a slot all the way down. That will give you a visual indicator of how many cookies you have in there. Discard that middle piece. Next you want to fit in that bottom cap so that you can get the correct measurement of how much to slice off that opening to grab the cookies out of. And we'll want to cut out the notches. This is the opening where you will pull the bench cookies out. Next you'll break off those little tabs. You can cut them if you'd like. I found it easier just to break them off since you'll be filing anyways. Now is the fun part of cleaning up all the rough edges. Completely optional. I understand it's a shop project. For me it was just easier to do this than to break out the jigsaw or the bandsaw and get those little edges. So figured I would clean up the other edges while I was there. Now we will glue in that bottom cap. You can also test fit this beforehand to make sure that there's no lip between the bottom of the PVC and that cap, so that the cookies don't snag on it. After some spray paint and a few screws to mount to the side of the bench, you are done. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more small tips,
that's what she said.
go ahead and subscribe for more.